call again. I say no.
Yeah, it's doing the same thing. It's flashing 10 times. I'm gonna fix it. I just want it to keep running for you.
I know.
Because it always works when I leave.
Yeah.
And then it goes like 2-3 days. I don't know. When was I here last? A week? Maybe?
Yeah. And we don't touch
Sometimes the
it.
circuit boards
Yeah.
they get an error and they repeat.
All right.
So I brought one that's similar to the old one that you
Yeah.
had, the blue. It'll blink blue and then red.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put that on and see if it does it, and then I can always change the sensor because it doesn't. It only has one sensor, and I kind of reduced the size of it. I think I told you last time to try and keep it from tripping, and I cleaned everything. But it's too new to really be doing all this.
I know, it's crazy.
So maybe we're just getting bad parts.
I know. Thank you for coming, though.
Oh yeah, no problem.
And I see you. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Thank you for checking out this video. This is Service Call from Hell 3, Hell's Revenge. So this is about the 5th or 6th time I've been out to this job site to work on this water heater. I was able to make about 3 service call videos out of it. And last time I came out, it was flashing a code 10. So I made some adjustments to it. I did what the instructions told me to do, and that didn't take care of it. So now I'm coming out again. I was told it was a code 6, but actually it was a 10 flash. So working on the water heater, that is what this video is about, how I remedied this code 10. Alright, so thanks again for watching, and consider subscribing if you like this video or if you like videos like this. Which is a burner screen, clean burner screen. We did that last time. I got a report of a code 6, which has replaced the burner. And the only sensor going to the water heater is this one right here. All right, buddy.